Do you want to know the secret to handling even the toughest questions like a pro? It starts with avoiding one common phrase. Stick around to find out what this phrase is and why it could be hurting your credibility. And in case we haven't met, I'm Claudio, your guide to mastering high-impact speaking opportunities. And in this video, we are focusing on one specific phrase that you should avoid in Q&A sessions. And that phrase is, "That's a great question." But first, let me show you a quick clip from one of my clients on Shark Tank. Watch what happens when he starts to answer with, "That's a great question."
Why is this worth $4 million?
That's a great question. So if you...
It always is.
Ouch, right? Mr. Wonderful really put him on the spot there. So let's explore why "that's a great question" can backfire and what you can say instead. Saying "that's a great question" might seem polite, but it often comes across as insecure and even dishonest. Are you really impressed by the question, or are you just buying time to think? Chances are it's the latter. Instead, try "thank you for your question" when you need that extra time to think of your answer. It's respectful and it gives you a moment to gather your thoughts. Another powerful technique, and that's my favorite one, is to simply pause. Taking a moment to think shows confidence, and it demonstrates that you are a thoughtful person, and it gives you time to formulate a well thought out answer. The key is to keep momentum going. If you need a moment to think, say "thank you for your question," or better yet, pause. Silence is golden. All right, that's it for today. Remember, your words matter, and choosing the right ones can make your Q&A sessions shine. If you found this video helpful, show it some love and hit that subscribe button for more tips on dazzling your audience. And if you need help preparing for your next game-changing presentation, I'm here to help. Schedule a discovery call on my website. The link is right here. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.